Hey guys, I wanted to bring you an update on our 2013 Dodge Dart. Some of the things we've done to it over the last couple months since the first video I sent out, as well as some things that are coming up in the next couple weeks, as well as stuff that we are going to accomplish with this car over the winter this year. One of the major modifications we've already made to it, as you can see, we have a block-off plate now where the diverter valve used to be. We had switched it to a forged blow-off plate. We have since gotten rid of that and moved to an HKS super sequential blow-off valve down there on the charge pipe. You can also see both charge pipes are now wrapped in DEI gold wrap. I'm not sure if this was in a video before or not, but we've also added an oil catch can. We also, down here you can kind of see it, we've added a 3x12x27 intercooler upgrade to this car also. Another thing we did is we got rid of the 20% tint and switched it to 10. One of the major things we've done so far to this car over this last summer is we've located a lot of black interior panels, which enabled us to get rid of about 90% of the gray that was in this car originally. We did not locate a headliner, so we went ahead and dyed the headliner. As you see, I still need to get the visors for it. We have plans for blue and black vinyl leather combination on the seats. The trunk setup, as you see here in a second, hasn't changed a whole lot. We have some plans for blue LED lighting in the trunk, as well as other places on the car. The major modifications over the next couple weeks, though, are going to be a Carbon Creations MPR carbon fiber hood, as well as the Rossi body kit is on its way also and should be here this week. Then this winter, the body kit along with the entire car are getting wrapped in Avery Blue Diamond vinyl. I have a sample here to give you an idea of what we're wrapping the car in this time. And I think that's about it right now. If you want to see the progress of this car, please subscribe to our channel so that you get notifications every time, and like this video. Thank you.